This is Liberty stock number 50871. It's a Chevalier, model FSG-1236AD, 3-axis hydraulic surface grinder with incremental power down feed, 2-axis digital readout. Coolant system is over there. Okay, Rodney.
Showing that already?
Yeah, no, I'll let you take me
It's right
for a
there.
tour.
It's right there.
Take me
Hey,
for a tour.
Let's show the front end, yeah. It's all up front, really. We can take
Okay.
a look around, but yeah. Controls up, the DRO's up.
Okay.
1236, Chuck. I don't know if this, I had this open, but yeah. I didn't even open, there we go. Yeah, it's a pretty good size wheel on there. We'll run that in a minute. All standard controls. It's FSG. Let me get this close a little bit more. There we go. All 3 controls, so you have manual feed on all 3 axes. Dog rail down low, frame feed. We got it set small so we can go through a video here and not have to take a half hour for a...
Thank you.
Yeah. Want to get the coolant while you're here? It's right
Oh,
behind you.
yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Got some documentation, coolant system, of course, yeah. I was gonna get it from this side, I had it out, but okay.
That's all right.
Yeah. Well, not much going on back here. Column. We do have the control back here, though. Coolant line stuff in there. I have my temp coming in here. 3-phase. DRO cord is all, it's all hanging out here temporarily. Main cabinet.
Good.
Yeah. Hydraulics down low here with the pop top on it. Stand alone, 2 lines in. 1 in, 1 out, I should say. We'll come back around and run it a little bit. Maybe stop with the easy stuff. I'll do the DRO right away. We can just kind of show that. Reset them at 0. I'm just going to move around here. Watch yourself, Andy. There's the in-feed here. All kind of works. Elevation, as you can see. Manually speaking, and you got table too, of course. I haven't tried the table manually. I've been running it all automatic, but it's nice. That said, I'll fire up the spindle by itself. You listen to the spindle, and then we'll shut that off and just run the hydraulics and run a couple of auto cycles here. I'll move around, no particular order. It's been a while since I ran one of these, but I remember most of it. So, spindle on, hydraulics off, V-stop off, we're under power. And that's oil. I think we're in spindle by itself. Let's see. No? There it is, yeah. There's spindle with no oil. Sounds good. That said, we'll let that wind down a little bit. Kind of listen to it up close, winding down. It sounds nice.
That does sound good.
Yeah, so, yeah. Everybody hit it one more time. There it is. And back off again. That's that. Yeah, that runs good. Big wheel on there. That said, bring the oil back up again. Oil's on. I won't go through the manual cycle. We're just going to loosely go through the programming method here. Table control here, I can do this manual. I'm probably going to forget some stuff, but let's see how it goes. You just turn the table on. I've got them in tight just so we can jump through a cycle. I can unlock the lock for now and just go full out just to kind of show that. That's full out. I keep it short for the auto cycle just so I don't keep on over traveling it. Something like that. There we go. So that's off. Just quickly explain cycle start, cycle stop. Power in, out right here. Let's see if I got them dialed in right. Pull back. This is in feed, in and out. And Z up and down. Here's out. And in. I have to go check that to make sure I'm in between the dogs, but I should be. And then of course elevation. Yeah, that works nice. Let me make sure I'm in on this. Yeah, okay. So we run an auto. So I'll run a traverse cycle first, which is the slowest. I'll just have the setting, does have the settings over here if you come on in here. This is just for fine microcontrol or automatic. I'm just going to leave that on automatic. This is, of course, your dial for downfeed. And we'll set that up in a few minutes. It does kick off at 0. Does it spark out? Does its auto cycle? All off of this dial right here, which is your down feed. I just did power feed. We'll do the table in a second, and to come up here, those are the 2 rapids I just did. If I get into auto with traverse would be auto here and auto there. And basically what I'm going to do is, those are 5 hits. These are elevation hits. So it's going to, every time it traverses 3 times is what I've got for plunge grinding, it'll go 5 times. There's the setting for that digital. I'm asking for 5 hits going down on the down feed. You'll hear them, it clicks. We can show a close-up of it. And what was it? Yeah, every 3 times back and forth. I think 2 traverses is considered 1 number. And then spark out is down here. Oh, this is pick feed, isn't it? Let me try pick feed manual. Let me see if that works. I know it works, but I just haven't. This is park left, park right, in, out. Let me try this. No. I had it a few minutes ago. I'm not sure where. There it is. Yeah, if I hit this.
Yeah, I hear it.
Go look at it. You can't, yeah. You can see the micro dial moving. That's it. That's manual feed. That's pick feed. So I'm gonna leave that on auto. We are gonna go to auto, traverse. It'll traverse back and forth and come down. And I can hurry it up just by putting that down feed dial close to 0 so it happens quickly. That said, I'll hit cycle start. I don't know if I can get it before I do the table or not. Let me see. Let's get the table going. Oh yeah, there it is. Now we're feeding on the traverse. See? I got it dialed up. And that, by the way, when you come back, there's your feed down there. You have to understand, this goes back and forth. When you hear that clicking, that's the axis coming down. Okay, Y
Yes.
is dropping, so that's these 2. I can dial this up off this pot over here. This is the amount of traverse on the infeed. So I can go even bigger. And go back down here and watch, and you'll see this guy hit when that reverses. And that's that, right. And this will just keep doing this until you get off the side here and come in close.
Okay.
You can see it from up on top.
Okay.
Get off to the side, yeah. I'll show you. I'm just going to come all the way around, close to 0, and you'll see it. And we'll, right about, yeah, that's the end of cycle. See the light on over here now? It just cycled out, and it's going to do 1 spark out and then park right. Should. But of course, 1 spark out is this thing feeding all the way across and once back, I believe. Now it's just reversed. Now when it goes back, we'll see it. It should shut off. Like I said, traverse grind is a little bit slower operation. I can make this all happen faster and plunge, but it runs good. See what happens. And then the light would come on and it's coming back again. I can speed it up a little bit maybe.
It's all right.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah, I forgot which is which on maybe 2. It's 2 passes on the spark out. There it is. So I parked right, which it did what it's supposed to do. And you didn't see it, but we'll do it in plunge. After it reaches its 0 point, this guy backs up this amount, which is this pot here. Why going back up is this guy right here. Okay. So after it hits 0, it just reverses as high as you want it to go. So I'm just going to go jump into a plunge grind now real quick and start that up, which is 1 click over. You're going to leave this off. We don't need this anymore. Plunge grind on elevation. Start the table. Now every 3 hits, which might be 5 or 6 back and forth, it's going to hit down here. See what we get. moving, I'm on. Cycle start. Let's see, I just hit cycle start. I think I forgot to hit it. It'll do it. There it is. It's right here, see? So now, it's gonna go 2, let's count 3, 4. Oh, so it is 3. So every 3 hits, literally every 3 hits. It's gonna count 5, right?
Okay.
See? As you can see the counter. So now what I'm gonna do is just come up fast on it. Same thing I did before with Travers. There we go. Let it do its thing. And come up close to the 0. And that's just hit it. So now we're at 0. Right there. And it's gonna do its thing. Spark out. What's your...
Yeah, no,
These aren't collapsible. They're supposed to be.
Those aren't friendly handles?
Just take them off.
Yeah,
We'll do
okay.
one more. So
Yeah.
run more. You can watch the whole thing from afar. I'll just
Okay.
take off a few thousands. That's all. And hit the table. And I'll raise this up just so you can kind of watch the feed too. We'll go to 7. Let's see how that goes. So that's a good couple thousands there. And we come up to 0 one more time. Maybe 2 more hits. It'll park. Let's try parking left now. Yeah, park left. When you see this light come on, probably the next hit. That's end of cycle. There it is. Spark out. Backs up, parks left. Done deal.
good.
I'm done. Yeah, I mean, it all.
Yeah.
It all works. We're good.
Good deal.
Okay.
Too bad I didn't